Hey, ever feel creatively stuck or just short on time as a designer? Well, imagine having a smart assistant working with you around the clock. It gives you fresh ideas, writes your copy, even helps you pick colors. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. Today, I'm gonna share 5 smart ways to use ChatGPT that'll save you time and seriously level up your design game. Let's jump in. First up, ideas. You know those moments when a client asks for something totally random, like, can you make a poster for an anti-pollution campaign? And you have no idea where to start? Just tell ChatGPT, give me 5 creative poster ideas for an anti-pollution awareness campaign. Boom. You'll get options, some that you might have never thought of. It's like having a brainstorming buddy on demand. Pro tip, add more details, like your audience or where the design will be posted. That makes a big difference. Number 2, copywriting. Ever get stuck thinking, what should I write on this poster? ChatGPT's got you. Try this. Write a catchy line for a Black Friday sale on modern designs. It'll give you options. Funny, short, bold. Just pick your style and go. Super handy for social posts, ads, even product packaging. Third, color palettes and design styles. Feeling unsure about the look and feel of a project? Ask ChatGPT for ideas. Something like, suggest 3 color palettes for a trendy coffee shop logo. Or what design style works best for a Japanese restaurant. You'll get color combos, design keywords, and style suggestions you can turn into mood boards. It's a creative spark when you need one. Number 4, project descriptions. When you're uploading work to Behance or your portfolio, writing descriptions can be a drag. But guess what? ChatGPT can help. Say, write a description for a poster design for an electronic music festival. You'll get a clean, professional write-up explaining your idea, tools, and concept. Just tweak it a bit and you're good to go. And finally, learning. Yep, ChatGPT can teach you too. Ask it things like, what's the difference between CMYK and RGB? Or explain brutalist design in simple terms. It'll give you straight, easy to understand answers. It's like having Google but without all the clicking. And that's it. 5 smart ways to use ChatGPT as a graphic designer. Have you tried any of these? Or got your own cool use for it? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be sharing more real-world design tests using AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.